Hey guys, it's Rick again from Lifted Off Road, and I'm back on the truck. Here's the distributor cap, and I don't know how well you might be able to wait if I get the camera right there. That pin there in the center is practically gone, so that's what was causing the no start condition. So basically what I did, this is the old cap. I marked the outside of it when I installed this one with the plug wires, so I know where the plugs went. And let's get up in here. Oh, hopefully you can see this decent. Oh, so before I took it apart, I marked all the plug wires and the coil. I marked the new cap. I don't know how well you might be able to see that. I marked the new cap all the way around on this side, and this time I even marked it on the top, just so I can see the back terminals, which ones they were. So there you go. I marked the plug wires, I marked the distributor cap, got it installed in, got it screwed down. It's nice and firm, and it's about as firm as it's gonna go without over tightening those screws. I don't want to break the plastic. So I got all those back on, and before I put everything together, I put on some of this dielectric grease on all the contacts, and I put it on the contacts on the inside too a little bit. So yeah, that's basically all I did. I replaced the rotor too, and let's get inside and see if it starts. Oh, key already in. That's some terrible. Trying to. Well, that's not good. All right. Well, so much for this being an extra short video. Oh, all right. Let's get back in here. Make sure all the plugs are down. Coil wire. All right. Let's double check again. Doopity-boo. Oh man. See my battery gauge. That might be part of the problem. That might be part of the problem. Let me stick a charger on here real quick, and I'll have to give you another update. Out. Stay lifted.